Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor performance variant of a Ford Bronco. This casting is by Matchbox Moving Parts and is new for 2026. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor out of its box, and first thing you will notice, it doesn't have doors or roof. So the Bronco is the same as how you get the removable doors and roof on the Jeep Wrangler, so it's almost the same concept. And this is a Raptor, so it's more powerful version of standard Bronco. We'll talk about more about that, but let's start from the front. So in the front you got some nice details. You got the Ford badge, you got the detailed grille, the marker lamps because it's a wider vehicle. You also got these headlamps with amber not turn indicators, LED lights, running lights. I think the standard one has white. The Raptor has amber or orange. Lower bumper, metal bumper obviously, with looks like some skid plates. Now you also get both the mirrors and a hood with this black paint. I think that's to decrease the reflection with Raptor written on it. Both the windshield wipers are also present, and you can see it's got opening hood. We'll come to that later. Now moving to the driver's side, you can see huge beadlock wheels, and that's because it comes with huge beadlock wheels on actual Raptor too. Also you got this wider I think wheel flares. They're much wider because it's get huge wheels, bigger wheels compared to standard Bronco. You do have side steps, which again looks good. No doors, but you can see some details there, like the hinges where the door fits. Now moving to the rear, again you can see some nice details there. Nicely detailed tail lamps, Bronco badge, this spare wheel, and from here you can see how wide the wheel flares are. Wheel arches, flares, they're so wide, they're massive. Again the metal bumper in the back, a place for number plate, and what else I can show you? Obviously the roll cage. This looks like, I don't think the actual Bronco Raptor has this like covered, or maybe this is just because they took the roof off. Looks like that. And this is how it looks from the passenger side. Looks almost identical. This is how it looks from the top. Obviously you can see the interior finished in black. That's nice. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So not a lot of details there. Now coming back to the moving part. So the hood opens up on this one. Just trying to show you. There you go. And you can see some nice details there, some painted details on the engine bay area. Yeah, Matchbox has been doing this recently where they paint some details and it looks really good. Makes all the engine compartment look so much better. So there you go. This is how it looks. Well, I like this casting, it looks really good. Let me know what you think about this one. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.